Are you guys ready to try something new? My Cajun Asian Turkey, juicy and packed with flavor. It's a lot of work, but it's so worth it. Dissolve salt and sugar in hot boiling water. After it's cooled, add it to the bucket. Add a gallon of water. Add all the herbs and 1/4 bag of ice. When you add the turkey, make sure you put the breast side down first. Add a lot of ice because it's going to melt. Try to add more ice than water. And if you have leftover water from the 2 gallons, it's okay as long as you have more ice in that bucket. Time to make the sauce. Add in your oil and your diced onions. Saute it until it's soft and translucent. Should be about 10 minutes. Now you want to put the rest of the ingredients in. You can use different types of barbecue sauce. However, I do highly recommend Stubbs because Stubbs has a flavor that goes well with the oyster sauce and with my premium Lao Sriracha. You don't have to use any type of hot sauce, but if you would like to, just add a little bit. The reason why you don't want to put too much hot sauce is because the original sauce has a really good flavor, and not just any type of hot sauce will go good with it. Saute it a little bit longer for another 10 minutes, and you should start getting a really pretty color. That's what it should look like when it's ready. Remember to wash the turkey really good because it's full of salt.
This is American style, right, sis?
This is a Cajun Asian style. So what Cajun I do style. Is I brine 2 days before I brine.
Yeah.
Then the day before I marinate in this, and then the last day I bake it. I
you
marinate
have a
this.
recipe for this, or just
yes,
style?
I actually developed like my own recipe. It's a little work, but it's so worth it. When you start to marinate, make sure you put all the sauces in between the meat and the skin. Try to put it inside the breast area, the thigh area. I even turn it around and I put it in the back as well.
And how many pounds is this? This is like a giant turkey.
I was trying to find a bigger one, but it's 16 and a half pounds.
Yeah.
Leave it overnight. We're gonna put in the veggies now. Mix the veggies in there together. I marinated the veggies as well with the sauce. What I did was I put the veggies, the marinated veggies, all the way down here underneath the turkey. I didn't stuff it inside because it cooks faster whenever you don't have anything in there. But I will put a little bit of herbs in here just to make it smell good. And I have thyme and rosemary. All right, and then the rest of them, you could just kind of put it on the side just so it could smell really wonderful and herby. And top. To wrap this up first, because if you don't, it's gonna burn the turkey. So you're gonna do it for the first, I would say, about an hour and a half. First.
So now it's covered, into the oven it goes.
Oh boy. Alright. This sauce, we're gonna keep on putting it on the turkey. So every 30 minutes I'm gonna keep on putting it on.
Okay.
With butter. So I'm gonna have butter as well.
Yum.
Every 30 minutes. Some butter on there. Make it nice and moist.
Yesterday.
I know. I'm so happy it's prepped.
Now you guys have a little time to get dull.
Cover it back up.
Covers it. Here is the final product, Asian Cajun.
Yep.
Look at that sauce that has been the aromatics, the smoky flavor coming from Asian Cajun style turkey, guys. Just look at the smoke.
Oh, somebody's here. Look at these. Yeah.